our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for webmasters and SEO enthusiasts. Google has just announced the addition of two new Googlebot crawlers, GoogleOther-Image and GoogleOther-Video. Let's dive into what these new crawlers are, why they matter and how they could impact your website. To start with, what exactly are GoogleOther-Image and GoogleOther-Video crawlers? According to Google's official announcement, these new bots are specialized crawlers designed to handle images and videos separately from the main Googlebot, GoogleOther-Image, on crawling image content, while GoogleOther-Video is dedicated to video content. This separation aims to improve the efficiency and accuracy of how Google indexes these types of media. Now, let's understand why do they actually matter. Previously, the primary Googlebot was responsible for crawling and indexing all types of content on the web. With the introduction of these specialized bots, Google can now better understand and categorize the media content, which could lead to more relevant search results. This change is especially significant for websites that heavily rely on images and videos. It means your visual content could potentially be indexed more accurately, making it easier for users to find through Google's search engine. Now, let's understand some technical details involved in it. GoogleOther-Image and GoogleOther-Video follow the same principles as the main Googlebot. They respect robots.txt rules, so you can control their access to your site's media content. If you want to block these bots from specific directories or files, you can do so just like with any other crawler. Additionally, these bots are designed to work alongside Googlebot rather than replace it. They provide supplementary data that enhances Google's understanding of your site's content. So, what do this mean for your SEO strategy? With more precise crawling and indexing of your images and videos, there's a potential and improved rankings for visual content. If your site has high quality, relevant images and videos, these new crawlers can help bring more visibility and traffic. However, it's crucial to maintain best practices. Ensure your images and videos are well optimized with proper titles, descriptions and alt text. High quality, relevant media content is key to benefiting from these new crawlers. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on optimizing the media content. To make the most out of GoogleOther-Image and GoogleOther-Video, here are a few steps you can take. First is optimize the media files. Ensure the images and videos are high quality but properly compressed to balance quality and load times. Second to it is use descriptive file names. Name your files with descriptive keyword-rich titles. Next to it is add alt tags and descriptions. For images, use alt tags that accurately describes the content. For videos, provide detailed descriptions and transcripts if possible. Next to it is check robots.txt. Make sure your robots.txt file allows access to your media files if you want them indexed. Next is monitor performance. Use tools like Google Search Console to track how these crawlers interact with your site. By following these tips, you can ensure that your site is ready to take full advantage of Google's new specialized crawlers. And that's it for today's update on Google's new crawlers, GoogleOther-Image and GoogleOther-Video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions or thoughts on how these new bots might affect your site, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.